Hazrat Abu Zar Ghifari radiyallahu anhu states, while I was going along the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the stony land of Medina Munawwara at night, sighting Mount Uhud, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, Abu Zar, I submitted at your service, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if this Mount Uhud would be transformed into gold for me, even then I do not wish that even a single dinar may remain with me on the third night except the one which I may keep aside for redeeming debt. But I wish to distribute the property among Allah's bondsmen, giving them on the right and left side and in front of me. Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu says, then we continued walking. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam again said, O Abu Zar, I submitted at your service, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, the people owning excessive wealth will be destitute on the resurrection day. Owning less virtues saves them who keep dispensing their wealth to the people in Allah's cause. Then after walking for a while, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, O Abu Zar, stay here until I come back. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then went out until he sallallahu alayhi wasallam went out of my sight. I then heard some voices and got alarmed lest he sallallahu alayhi wasallam should have experienced any mishap. Thinking so, I intended to go after him, but suddenly I remembered his instruction, do not leave this place until I come back. So I kept waiting, staying there until he sallallahu alayhi wasallam came back. When I mentioned those voices, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, he was Gabriel alayhi salam, who came to me and said, whosoever of your ummah dies without associating any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will enter paradise. I submitted, though he has committed adultery or theft. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam replied, though he has committed adultery or larceny. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2301.